Your Honorable Excellency, High Commissioner to India, in your speech you said that you're willing to bring sculptors from India to teach in making and molding the murtis of Lord Ganesh. Honorable Commissioner, we at the Ganesh Utsav Foundation want to tell you that we are willing to be the home of this, and we're willing to embrace those who you're bringing from India. And teaching will begin here at the Ganesh Utsav Foundation. Also, we want to request from you, humbly, overlooking the ocean, because the ocean is just meters away on the outside, we want to consecrate, in a very short time from now, a beautiful murti of Bhagwan Shiva, more than 50 feet high. And so we are seeking your grace. Honorable Prime Minister, don't get frightened. I'm not going to ask you for anything. Instead, I'm going to serenade you. माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यारी जगाती है, कितना प्यारी जगाती है. Sing with me. माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यारी जगाती है, कितना प्यारी जगाती है.
कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यारी जगाती है, कितना प्यारी जगाती है.
तू ऋषियों की रिद्धि सिद्धि, तू ब्रह्मा की भक्ति माँ, तू विष्णु की माया देवी, तू शंकर की शक्ति माँ, तू मातों से भाग्य जगाती, बागी बागी आती है, कितना प्यारी जगाती है. The bhajan is saying, Tu Rishio ki riddhi siddhi, to the rishis and the munis and the holy beings and all of those around, O Devi, you're the source of knowledge and intelligence. And that's what you are to us. But you have ensured that our children will have a computer, a laptop, so that they'll be educated. And for that we say thank you. The bhajan says, Lord Brahma relies on the Shakti, the strength of Goddess Saraswati, who gives him the inspiration. I don't know if you know, but you have inspired us. Where we were to where we are at in a very short time, you have inspired us and you have given us hope. And for that we say thank you. But the bhajan goes on to say, Tu Kali Maha Kali Durga. I will never forget. I will never forget on that microphone that day when the Kali in you were awakened. When you said in my last time as Prime Minister, they mistook my for weakness. They mistook me and my goodness and my kindness for weakness. And I saw Mother Kali in you. And I said, that is what we need. That is what we need. तू काली महाकाली दुर्गा, तू ही बाल भवानी माँ, तू विष्णु की माया देवी, तू शंकर की शक्ति माँ, तू मातों से भाग्य जगाती, बागी बागी आती है, कितना प्यारी जगाती है. माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यारी जगाती है, कितना प्यारी जगाती है. You have now become our mother, and we are now in your care, and we depend on you, we rely on you. And just as our mother loves us as her children, we know you love all of us, and for that we say thank you. माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यारी जगाती है, कितना प्यारी जगाती है. Let us all stand as we welcome our Honorable Prime Minister to the podium at this time. Ganesh Bhagwan ki jai. Let us all be seated.
Panditji, thank you very much for your serenade and your very beautiful words. We begin each day with great hope. And during that day, we face many challenges. When I heard your words today, you give me inspiration to get up the next day and to continue to work harder and harder for the benefit of all in our land. Cabinet ministers who are here with us, Khadija and Barry, MPs, senators, Mayor of Superior, Mayor Meru, other members of the local government fraternity, and I cannot forget our brother, cousin from afar, His Excellency High Commissioner from India to Trinidad. Let us welcome him here in the Southland and thank him so much. I will say a few more words on the visit of Prime Minister Modi, but let me as well acknowledge Pandit Sunil Sitaram Maharaj, Sitahal Maharaj, the president of the Ganesh Utsav Foundation, other executive members of this foundation, devotees, ladies and gentlemen, namaste and good evening to all of you. Pandit, I want to pay special tribute to you as the leader, the spiritual leader of the Ganesh Utsav Foundation. Let us give some applause to Pandit Sunil Sitahal Maharaj as a leader of this foundation for continuing this very significant religious observance of Ganesh Utsav over the last 2 decades. I am no stranger to you, the members of this organization, as I've joined you before in these festivities in worship to Lord Ganesh. I've seen your organization grow leaps and bounds as you attracted hundreds annually at Palmies Park and now thousands at Grove Park here in Tuhiti. Please let us give a round of applause again tonight here in Utahiti for this foundation. I congratulate and thank you for keeping Sanatan Dharma alive and progressive, because I also see many young ones are here with us tonight. Ganesh Utsav celebrations have grown throughout TNT. The love of Hindus for Lord Ganesh in our nation is a reflection of the faith we continue to place in him as the one who gives knowledge and removes ignorance and obstacles. Today, as your Prime Minister, I can tell you that we have inherited significant challenges and obstacles. However, I never despair because of my faith. The plurality of Trinidad and Tobago allows for a Hindu woman baptized as a Baptist by my Brahmin father, and I went to a Presbyterian school to be guided that all prayers are good prayers, and that when we pray to the same God. We may have different names, but we pray to God. Our teachings as Hindus encourage us to unite, to appreciate, and be open-minded. The symbolic large elephant ears of Lord Ganesh reminds us. So sometimes we have to listen more. And that's why I tell you, first I listen and then I lead. Some nights while I work on the nation's development, I've been watching, Pandit, your nightly discourses. This week, I was reminded of the Katha where you spoke about when Lord Ganesh was ridiculed for his appearance, and when he was ridiculed for his mannerisms, and then he was ridiculed because of his large stomach. In Trinidad, we use the word belly because of his large belly. I know what that feels like, but I too also know you have to have belly to stand up and fight against discrimination, injustice, and wrongdoing. And so Lord Ganesh leads the way for us. Your organization, Panditji, and many more across the nation now provide a platform for sharing our cultural and religious values at the touch of a button. Your growing membership is a testimony that there is a renaissance happening within your community as festivals and observances like Ganesh Utsav continue to resonate because of its teachings, because of use of technology, through social media, online and virtual platforms. It connects the community and carries the message. This evening, if I were to share a piece of my own experience with Lord Ganesh, I can tell you that at my home, that at the base of my own personal computer, there sits a murti of Ganapati Baba and a photograph of my grandson when we both attended your celebrations in Palmy's Park some time ago. I encourage you all to keep faith, and as you have done all these years, I thank you for your love and your support that continues to strengthen and fortify me. Tonight, as we prepare to say farewell to these physical murtis, I know that you will continue to carry Lord Ganesh in your hearts. And I want to commend His Excellency High Commissioner of India, the Prime Minister Modi, government and people of India for all good gifts they've brought to us as we continue to work together for the benefit of all. Excellency, you mentioned some of the matters that we agreed upon, and we are very happy to welcome, first for the limbs, the prosthetic limbs. There are many people waiting eagerly on these, and I welcome those landing on our shores. And within your communities, please reach out to us and your MPs so we can bring you forward to get the prosthetic limb. I think a lot of people will be very happy with that. The dialysis machines, we thank you for that. The sea ambulances, we thank you for that. Above all, we thank you for the laptops, because as Panditji said, those are very close to my heart and to our children. We look to Lord Ganeshan, as I say, to take with him our problems and obstacles. And I remind you that God helps those who help themselves. I ask you to work together. Let us all work together to make our nation a better place for our children and our grandchildren. Tonight, I'll ask His Excellency to please join me for a moment on stage, because I have a very special gift that I want to offer here tonight, Panditji, that was given to the people, government and people of Trinidad and Tobago by Prime Minister Modi when he visited our shores. These are waters from the holiest of the rivers out of India that was gifted to Trinidad and Tobago. And tonight, as we say farewell to Lord Ganesh by way of the Murti, I think it is fitting, with the ocean being so close by, that we offer these in the ocean and the waters of Trinidad and Tobago. So, Excellency, I want to thank you very much. We want to thank Prime Minister Modi. He brought them with him personally for the people of Trinidad and Tobago. And today, I believe, Excellency, is a most auspicious day on which we can offer these into the waters around our island. So may Lord Ganesh continue to bless each and every one of you. And let us continue, let us be the conduit as we seek to help build Trinidad and Tobago. I thank you for being here. I am most inspired by seeing so many of you here. I think you deserve a round of applause for all of you who made the effort to come. And Panditji says he will not ask of anything of me. Instead, he wants to tell me that he's happy we've done some good things. But I can see your building is very well done, but still deficient. You see no windows, no doors. So I'm sure it's a work in progress, as MP Barry is telling me. And there are many good Samaritans here in the audience, Panditji, who have helped you before, helped us. And I'm sure we'll call on corporate Trinidad and Tobago and sponsors. Let's get this place completed. Do you all agree? So Panditji, I may not give to you, but I can ask for you on your behalf so that we can help you continue the great work that you're doing. So Sitaram to all of you, Namaskar. May Lord Ganesh continue to bless each and every one of you. I thank you very much. Thank you.
गणनाता गजवरना गणनाता दीनबंधु
गणनाथा गजवरना गणनाथा दीनबंधु
गणनाता गजवरना गणनाता दीनबंधु
गणनाथा गजवरना